morning, YouTube. My name is Sagar. You're watching Snap My Moto. This is day 2, and right now we are in Auroville Beach. And this is where I'll be starting the second day's vlog. There are a couple of things planned for the day, but see, let's see how it goes. There is nothing much as such to do here. There are just couple of people playing. And then there you have the rock beds put up all across. I mean, I can see it like up until super far. This is how the beach is. It's fairly clean, decently clean enough. Yeah, I mean, since this is in the Auroville region, that is the reason why it is much more cleaner than the other rest of the beaches. So yeah, right now I came back to the time travelers hostel, and yeah, this is how the place looks during the morning. So this is the reception area, and then you have all the huts over here, and this is my hut. Right now, one of the guys who's volunteering here asked me to take a cup of soup which they had made. I'm just going to take that.
No, I'm throwing that. The papayas are grown here.
Okay.
And we made it here.
So right now I am going to have breakfast. I'm going to a place called the Secret Garden. We had been there last night for our dinner. I thought I like the vibe of it, which the owner gave me. He was like very friendly. So I wanted to explore some other place, but then I thought, okay, for now. Volunteers at my place said there is going to be a pizza mania happening today at the community center. So I'll be going there in the evening and trying out, exploring it. So there are two things there. Either you can pay 300 per person and enjoy unlimited pizzas, or else you can go at 3 p.m. start volunteering, helping them for the event in the evening, and you can have free pizzas during the as such. So that is how it works. So this is the place, the Secret Garden. There we go. Super cute, super small, but amazing. So this is what I'm having. This is the Indian veg thali, South Indian thali. It's a fish fry. So yeah, I'm done with my breakfast, and it was really good. I tried the fish fry. Yeah, the day 2 is coming to an end, and there isn't much I did today. I just badly wanted to sleep, so I took a long nap today. I slept half the day. I mean, 60% of the day, in fact. I woke up early in the morning, went to the Auroville beach, and then shot some clippings over there. And then I just came back to the room and crashed. But let's see, there are a couple of things planned up for the evening, and now I'll see if I can. I'll first fuel up and then go to some cafe, sit, try something, and just come back. So this is Youth Center in Auroville. There is a pizza night happening over here, and at the entrance there was super tight security and we weren't allowed to come in, but then we actually smuggled ourselves in through some of the people, localites who were coming in. We got into their car, and that is a long story. So basically this is what Youth Center in Auroville is.
You say, oh my god, it wasn't.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah, exactly. Nice.
You know the song? Hey, you know this old song? Indian Punnu.
क्या बात है?
कभी देखो
दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझमें रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं सच में सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझमें रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं